Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, folks, it's a windy morning. The wind, oh my gosh, I'm so gapping out. The winds are like so crazy. The wind's like twice as bad today as it was yesterday, which is, it always seems to be the funny story. It's warm though, it's above zero. So in the last 3 days, the temperature has slowly increased. So yesterday was -5, the day before that was -10, and then I'm pretty sure the day before that was like -18. And each day changes by 6 degrees, and then the wind changes by about 30 to 40 kilometers. So this is what we get this morning. The roads are garbage again. The city didn't do anything to plow the roads, so you got all these fucking, part of my language, got all these bumps that they haven't plowed yet. So it's just sort of stupid. But anyways, that's been the start of my morning, but now I'm out here. It's not not too bad. The clouds are blocking a lot of the views. So today's predicted sunrise time is at 7:17 a.m. Unfortunately, it's just not much to see. Sometimes let's look at the clouds, you get the nice colors shed across. Today it's not much. Just wind and clouds. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. I hope you can enjoy your day through this. I wouldn't even bother trying to fly kite this morning. That's how bad it is. So, thanks for stopping by, everyone. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care.
I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me